A skewed flag is one that is poorly aligned along the length of the wire, resulting in a crooked flag with exposed, misaligned corners. This is usually the result of a wide hand grip and the wire being pushed not far enough, or too far, into the jaws of the printer, as to cause the wire to bend or curve. For consistent flag alignment, be sure to position your hands close to the edges of the printer, insert the wire between the jaws, and hold it straight and steady throughout the entire process. It can be helpful to imagine your wire as a pencil laying along this crease in the application pad. A flag that is mismatched does not align with itself correctly along the top edge or fails to adhere to the wire. Much like a skewed label, proper wire handling technique can help eliminate this issue. It can also be caused if your wire diameter falls outside the recommended range of the label material. For persistent mismatch, manual adjustments can be made within the printer to fine-tune the flag application. From the Print Run screen, tap the Feed to Wire button and make incremental changes in either direction. You will need to print test flags to confirm that the adjustment is correct and ideal flag alignment has been achieved. If more than a few clicks in either direction does not resolve the mismatch, it is advised that you swap your label material for a size more appropriate for the wire diameter. For even further fine-tuning, you can access print adjustment options from within the Settings menu. Once you have made your adjustments, tap the Home button, then the Run button. You are now ready to continue printing.